Now, this is how you can change Google account email in iPhone. So a lot of people use some sort of Google account on their phone, and how can you change it and add a different one, right? So this depends on what you exactly use it for, because you can use it for email, contacts, calendar, and notes, right? But let's say that it is for email, which is the most likely situation. So on your phone, on your iPhone, open up the settings and go to the apps section at the bottom entirely. Then click on the Mail app from the list and tap on Accounts. In there, you should already find your Google account listed, so you can tap on it and remove it altogether, right? So the account will be removed, and it's not like you can just change it, right? At first, you have to remove the current one, and then you're going to be able to add a new account, right? So then you're going to come back to that section and click on Add a New Account, then click on Google, and you can sign in with a different Gmail. So it's pretty simple that way. Obviously, during the setup process, you can decide if you want to sync your contacts or notes or other stuff like calendar events, or only keep it for the mail, which is the possibility too. Right, so that's how you can basically change the Google account. You can just start using it that way, right? So it's pretty simple. I personally like to keep multiple Google accounts on my phone. The way that I like to do it is that I have a different mail client from like Google, the Gmail app, where I have a different email. I have some other ones in the Blue Mail app from Apple. So many different options on how you can achieve it. And that's how I like to keep it. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know below in the comments what you think about it. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the future.